Walking through the woods. Black people walking through the woods. Okay, so out here at Paw Paw Park, walking the trail, and I'm about to put the DJI Mini 2 in the air so we can get a nice aerial view. It's about 70 degrees today, nice breeze, clear blue sky. It's beautiful, beautiful. So just out here walking, I got the drone with me. We're gonna put it up. Let's check out what we can see.
Baby, you can give me everything I want, everything I want. You are all I need now. It's crazy, but it's true. You're all I need. You make my heart and spirit always dance and sing. You're captivating me.
She got me walking in the woods. We don't know where we going. We just walking.
Bugs.
All up in the woods and stuff. Who does that?
Everything you want. You are all I need now. It's crazy, but it's true. You're all I need.
Who just walks in the woods for fun? Huh? Who does that? Why are we doing this?